Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check whether the Scikit-Learn library is installed in your system. So what we're going to be using is the terminal of our VS Code windows and check whether the Scikit library is installed here or not. We won't be using any code, just the pip method to verify whether the Scikit-Learn library is installed or not. So in the terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show scikit-learn separated with a hyphen. Once you have typed in this, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with the information of the library name, its version, as well as the location of this particular package where it is present. So after you have done this, you can verify that the scikit-learn library is present in your system. If this had not been the case, and if it had not been present, then it would have shown me a module not found error. So that's how you can verify if the scikit-learn library is present in your system or not. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.